Have you ever turned on your Samsung TV, pressed a button on the remote, and suddenly your TV started talking to you? Every menu, every setting, every channel, it reads everything out loud. It can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you don't remember turning it on. The good news? You can disable the voice guide in less than 2 minutes, and today I'll show you exactly how.
Method 1. Turn off voice guide through settings. Using your Samsung remote, press the Home button, navigate to Settings, then select All Settings, or simply Settings on older models. Now go to General and Privacy. Next, open Accessibility. Select Voice Guide Settings. Finally, turn Voice Guide to off. That's it. Press a few buttons on your remote. If your TV is no longer speaking, you've solved the problem. Method 2. Use the accessibility shortcut. Some Samsung TVs include a shortcut. Press and hold the volume button on your Samsung Smart Remote for a few seconds. The accessibility menu may appear. From there, choose Voice Guide. Switch it off. This is often the fastest method on newer Samsung Smart TVs. Method 3. Use voice commands, if available. If your TV supports Samsung Bixby or another voice assistant, you can simply say, "Turn off voice guide," or "Disable voice guide." Your TV may complete the task automatically without opening any menus. Method 4. If voice guide keeps turning back. Some users notice that voice guide returns after restarting the TV. If that happens, try these steps. Restart your TV completely by unplugging it for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and check whether voice guide is still disabled. If the issue continues, go to Settings, Support, Software Update. Install any available firmware updates. Samsung occasionally releases updates that improve accessibility features and fix software bugs.